Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again in the Forex market, in particular in euro currency. At first glance, it seems that nothing is going on here, but in reality, if you will take a close look in the intraday charts, you'll see that a lot of stuff right now is happening on euro currency. Multiple patterns are forming, and that's really could give us a really good background for different trading setups. Besides, slowly but still, we're coming to release of the important data. Today is gross domestic product, consumption expenditures, so all this stuff could bring significant volatility to the markets. So, and in general, overall performance that we suggest should be around 109.50, 109.70 area. Here, there are a few reasons for that. First of all, on the daily chart, you could see that 109.70 is the OP target of this ABCD pattern. But what's more important is that if you will take a look in the weekly chart and recall the chart that we discussed in the weekly report, you will see and probably recall that 109.42 is a major weekly 50% resistance of the whole downside action right from here. This is important. Yes, we don't have a but here, but still this level is really important in this weekly. So really big chances that market should show at least some respect, some response to this level. Besides, let's take a look to the left. Here you could see tight consolidation, previous lows, and it also will work like the natural resistance area. So that's all eyes on this level. In what case we could get some downside action? In a case if investors will be frightened today of the possible recession in the United States. So it means that the gross domestic product probably should be not as good, same as the consumption. So that could trigger the action. We already talked many times in our reports that we think that gross domestic product numbers are highly manipulated in the United States, and actually it can't be positive, and because economy stands in a depression since the late of 2021, and actually decrease in this year stands somewhere around 6-8%. So, but you could see the positive numbers and expectation of the positive numbers. So anyway, everybody will be looking not at what we think, but what will be released. And from a technical point of view, existence of this level, it's really, some challenge for possible upper day over continuation. So it's really big chance could happen that we could get the pullback. Anyway, this is not the area where you should consider taking on the new long position until you would like to trade the date release. So on the daily chart, as we said, this is OP, and take a look what we have on intraday charts. On the 4-time frame chart, this might be the butterfly, could be formed here. This first target 109.50 once again. 1618 stands 109.82. So more extended target. Personally, guys, I'm more gravitating to this level, mostly because this is weekly resistance, and this is not only the butterfly target. So we have some other targets around this level. In one of the patterns that I'm considering here is actually a free drive sell. So if we take a look at the hourly chart, you could see the combination of the two butterflies that is forming here. It's actually the butterfly that we already considered and talked about 109.50 area. Let's take a look yesterday. Based on our yesterday trading setups, we could get another one with the 127 at the same level. 127 extension, 109.50. So we have the good crossing combination of the 1618 from the first butterfly, and we have 127 from the second. In one point. This is the background for the free drive. All this stuff will happen around major weekly resistance, accompanied with some divergence. So what else we need for trading? The one thing that how market theoretically could try to complete 109.70, 109.80 area. It's maybe some spike on volatility. So it might be some nervous spikes as usual in the market. Let's go trying to complete this area. Here we have the local ABCD pattern, which is actually not a big deal, so not pay too much attention to it. I just put it here to check where the targets stand. Next XOP stands precisely at 1618 extension of this most recent butterfly. It's around 108.80, which agrees mostly with the daily OP, 109.73. So they are stand very close to that. In general, whether market will complete this OP and will touch the 109.70 and 80 area or not, this is not really big deal, because in fact here we should consider the area. It's 109.50, 109.70. That's the area that we need to consider, and where potentially market could start forming something bearish, just because of the strong resistance, and especially if it will be supported by the data that we will get. Yesterday's setup, as you could see, worked really nice. So we said let's watch for some pullback and then be prepared for upward continuation. Maybe butterfly will be formed. So it actually has happened. So 618 retracement and upward continuation. So actually the same stuff we have in the gold market. But the gold market currently stands in a new top. It's a strong action it shows. Well, that's actually all that I would like to say currently on euro currency. So as market comes to the strong resistance, this is not the background for taking a new long position. For the bears, well, as you can see, your time is coming, but patterns are not completed yet. From that standpoint, this is a good combination to you. You do not need to take a risk before data release. Potentially, when the data will be released, maybe at that point the free drive will be completed, and you do not. You will know already the result, and you will have the pattern in place. So that's potentially the situation where bears could start considering maybe taking some positions, although currently it's not time yet. For those who already have longs, you could keep them, but be prepared for fast close, fast booking result once market will complete 109.50 and when data will start releasing. So this is a responsible moment too. That's actually all. Let's see what will happen. By the way, just one moment, not to forget it. Recall what we said about the dollar index. Grabber. Market drops, but take a look, grabber is not completed yet. It means that another downward action should happen to taking out of these lows. Maybe, as I said, it will be just the spike, but the fact is the fact. So it's some minor, at least minor downward action should happen. Actually, yesterday was another grabber. And that stuff also provides some confidence in the suggestion that euro currency also could try to, well, make some spikes taking out of the top and complete and reach the 109.50 area. So that's all right now.